For today, let's look at this interesting number theory question. Most students may get the answer without reasoning. So here's a question. Find all prime numbers p such that p power 4 plus 31 is not a multiple of 16. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. Here's a general advice. We can always try with few examples. So here we list out the first few prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. We can do a bit of calculation. If p equals to 2, then p power 4 plus 31 is 16 plus 31, which clearly is not the multiple of 16. Now we can continue to do some calculation for p equals to 3, p equals to 5, and p equals to 7. So the value of p power 4 plus 31 is 112, 656, and 2432 respectively. Note that all these numbers are multiple of 16. For an exercise, you may verify it on your own. By this observation, can we conclude that p equals to 2 is the only solution? If so, how are we going to prove that? So now we suppose p is a prime number and p is at least 3. Then clearly, p is an odd number. Note that for p power 4 plus 31, we may write as p power 4 minus 1 plus 32. We'll focus on the factorization of p power 4 minus 1. P power 4 is square of p square. 1 is a square of 1. So meaning that p power 4 minus 1 can be written as p square plus 1 times p square minus 1. Using the similar argument, we can further factorize it, and we have p square plus 1, p plus 1, p minus 1. It is clear that 32 is a multiple of 16. And since p is an odd number, each of the term p square plus 1, p plus 1, p minus 1 is an even number. Since each of them is an even number, it is a multiple of 8 and it may not be good enough. So for the further observation, we can let p to be 2k plus 1. Then p plus 1 will be 2k plus 1 plus 1, which is 2 times k plus 1. While p minus 1 is 2k plus 1 minus 1, which is 2k. So note that it's either k or k plus 1 will be an even number, which means that it's either double of k plus 1 or double of k will be a multiple of 4. And hence, p squared plus 1 times p plus 1 times p minus 1 is not only multiple of 8, but is a multiple of 16. And therefore, we conclude that p power 4 plus 31 is a multiple of 16 for all prime numbers p greater than or equal to 3. In conclusion, the answer for this problem is 2. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.